Boxycharm. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Boxycharm is my favorite. I can't help it. I love Boxycharm. Tell me in the comments what your favorite subscription box is. It doesn't even have to be beauty. This is going to be the year that I try all the beauty boxes. Maybe not all the boxes, but a lot of them. And if there's one that you would just particularly like to see, just tell me below. I'm really trying hard this year to make content that you want to watch, and I won't know unless you tell me. I mean, of course, I did ask you questions and you answered. And if you didn't answer my questions, because I want to make this channel something that we can all love. I'm going to leave a link for Boxycharm just below me. And the great thing about these little beauty boxes is you can just try it once. If you don't like it, you can cancel. With the exception of a certain box that wouldn't let me cancel after one shipment. Boxycharm will let you. Sephora, Ipsy, all of them will let you after one. We've got Pharmacy Clean Bee Facial Cleanser. This is a really nice sized bottle, 3.4 ounces. This is nice. What is this? No More Blem Primer, Smooth and Pore Covering, Top Secret for Perfect Makeup by Touch and Soul. Do you guys see me trying to read that? Oh, don't they know I'm 45 and I need my glasses? Make the print bigger for me. Just make it bigger. Like this. Tray Stick. And this is in the color Primer inside. I don't think that's the color. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, first of all, fake me out. This is fun. This is why it's fun. And it's primer. I just think that's beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh, watch this. I'm very easy to please, but seriously, thank you, people. I mean, I'm easy to please, but when makeup's good, makeup's good. We've got some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I hate the name of it, but it actually is a really, really good mascara. If you're not a subscriber, you're going to want to subscribe because I try out mascaras every month, a new mascara. I wear it all day long. I wash it off at night so that we can see the best mascara on the market. Gonna want some. We've got a Pretty Vulgar, what is this stuff? Stuffy doohickeys for the face. In the color Shimmering Swan Glow Up. I don't know. Anyways, this actually is really lovely because I have it already. I'm going to pass this on to a friend or one of my daughters or somebody because you really can't have too many highlighters, but you can have two of the same color. All right. Thanks so much for joining me here today. If you like unboxings, I'm going to try to do at least an unboxing a week in addition to my normal content. But if you don't really care about unboxings and you just didn't have anything else to watch, stay tuned because I've got lots of other fun content coming your way. I'll see you real soon.